So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable the fingerprint animation on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you want to restore the fingerprint animation that you used to see whenever you were unlocking your tablet, then what you're going to do is just navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you're then going to scroll down and then look for the option lock screen, and you're going to tap on it. Once you're in lock screen, you're then going to select screen lock and biometrics, and then you'll want to enter in your current PIN, password, or pattern. From here, select fingerprints, and then you should see the option show animation when unlocking with the toggle next to it. So currently it's disabled. So in order for you to restore the fingerprint animation, you're just going to tap on the toggle like that to turn it on. And now whenever your tablet is locked and you're going to go ahead and unlock it, you'll notice a slight animation that appears during the unlock process. However, if you want to disable that fingerprint animation, then you're just going to go back to show animation when unlocking, and you're just going to tap on the toggle to turn it off. Once it's been turned off, now whenever you're unlocking your tablet, the animation is no longer visible. So it's up to you to decide which option you prefer to use whenever it comes to the fingerprint animation. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.